Ready to ditch that boring, default tab icon and give your website a professional makeover? Let's jump into Adobe Dreamweaver and learn how to customize your tab icon, or favicon, in a few simple steps. First, you'll need to have your Dreamweaver project open and ready to go. Locate your website's root directory. This is typically where your main indexed file resides, as well as any images and other content. Your favicon file will also go in this spot. Now, here's the crucial part. You'll need an image file for your favicon. This can be a GIF, PNG, or ICO file. Many web designers create these at 16 by 16 pixels, but Dreamweaver supports bigger formats. Using editing software, open your image and resize it if necessary. Then save it as Favicon. This is a common file type for favicons, and it's vital that you name the file properly. If you're using another format, save it as the appropriate file name when creating an ICO. Make sure to use the correct settings to ensure it is recognized by browsers. Go to your root directory and drop your favicon file there. Now, in the head section of your HTML document, add the following link: rel equals icon ref equals favicon type equals image. Icon greater than if you are using a different image format. Change the ref and image type accordingly. Save changes and refresh your website in the browser, and voila! Customize your icon to reflect your brand and make your website stand out. Subscribe for more web design tips.